You know that feeling, right? You look out your window, see this amazing-looking bird, and you scramble for your phone to figure out what it is, and poof, it's gone. It's got to be one of the most common frustrations for anyone who loves nature. Well, today we're going to dive into a really cool piece of tech that's designed to solve that exact problem, basically turning your backyard into your own personal wildlife documentary. Let's talk about the Bird Buddy.
All right, so here's the game plan for this explainer. We're going to start with that backyard mystery we all face. Then, of course, we'll meet the Bird Buddy itself and see how it works. After that, we'll peek under the hood at the tech, talk about the all-important price tag, and then wrap it all up with our final verdict. Sound good? Let's go.
Okay, so let's really set the scene here. We've all been there. It's that fleeting glimpse, right? A flash of bright red, a little snippet of a song you've never heard before, but you have absolutely no idea what you just saw or heard. It's this tiny moment of wonder that's over almost before it even begins. And this really leads to a bigger question, doesn't it? Who are these secret neighbors that are hanging out in your yard every single day? I mean, you might be providing the space, maybe you even put out some seed, but let's be honest, chances are you don't know most of them by name. And that is exactly where Bird Buddy steps in. See, it's not just another bird feeder. It's been designed from the ground up to be the smart, really elegant solution to that natural curiosity. So what is this thing, really? Well, at its core, it's a smart bird feeder, and it has this camera built right in. But here's the magic. It does all the heavy lifting for you. It automatically snaps photos of any bird that stops by for a snack, uses artificial intelligence to figure out exactly what species it is, and then, bam, sends those incredible results straight to your phone. It's pretty much that simple. Okay, so how does it actually feel to use this thing day in and day out? Well, the whole experience is built around this simple, kind of magical, and, let's be real, a pretty addictive loop. This slide just lays it out perfectly. First, your phone buzzes, you've got a visitor. That's step one, watch. Then the app instantly tells you what you're looking at. Maybe it's a northern cardinal or a blue jay. That's step two, learn. And finally, you get these absolutely incredible postcard-perfect photos that you can share with, your family, your friends, whoever you want. And it really seems like this whole watch, learn, share thing is connecting with people. Just listen to this review from a user, Emily R. She says, "Stunning pictures and videos every day. My kids are obsessed and learning so much about birds." This is so key because it shows it's more than just a gadget for hardcore enthusiasts. It's actually becoming this amazing tool for family fun and education. So how in the world does it pull all of this off? I mean, it seems like magic. To answer that, let's pull back the curtain and take a look under the hood at the hardware and software that make it all happen. Okay, the hardware here is seriously impressive. We're talking a high-quality camera that shoots in 2K video, so you get these crystal clear shots. The whole unit is weatherproof, of course. The battery can last up to a month, which is great, and there's even an optional solar roof to keep it topped up. And on top of all that, it's a modular system, so you can swap in other cool accessories like a hummingbird feeder or even a little water fountain. But look, hardware is only half the story. The real magic, the brain of the whole operation, is the AI. That's what separates this from just being a camera in a box. And it keeps getting smarter. Some of the newer versions can now even identify birds just by their song, which is, that's a fantastic new feature. And just how smart are we talking? Well, its database has over, get this, 13,000 identifiable bird species. Think about that. That is an enormous library of knowledge, which basically means it's ready to identify pretty much anything that might land at your feeder, from the most common backyard birds to something truly rare. And it seems users are really blown away by its effectiveness. Here's one from Michael T. He says, "The AI identification is scarily accurate, and the app is so much fun." That combination, right? The precision and the pure enjoyment, that's clearly a huge, huge part of its appeal. You're not just buying a product here, you're kind of joining a club. With over 300,000 users and counting, there's this massive social aspect to it. You can share your best photos, see what kinds of birds are visiting feeders on the complete other side of the world, and just connect with other people who love nature. Of course, all this cool technology and this huge community, it does come at a price. So let's talk about the cost of all this magic and take a really balanced look at the investment. So when it comes down to it, it's really about this trade-off. On one side of the scale, you've got these huge strengths. The image quality is outstanding, the AI is incredibly accurate, the app is genuinely fun to use, and the community is great. But on the other side, you do have to consider the premium price point. There's also a subscription for some of the more advanced features, and some users have mentioned occasional missed visits or a few quirks with the initial Wi-Fi setup. It's important to see the full picture.
Which brings us right to our final verdict. After looking at the experience, the tech, the pros, the cons, the cost, is the Bird Buddy actually worth bringing home?
Ultimately, I think the real value proposition is this. It's more than just a feeder. It's a powerhouse for sparking daily joy, for learning about your local ecosystem, and for building a deeper, more meaningful connection with the natural world that's literally right outside your door.
And this really seems to be reflected in what users are saying. A 4.8 out of 5 is an exceptionally high rating. And most of that praise is aimed at the image quality, the app experience, and what a lot of people just call the fun factor. And, that's a really powerful stamp of approval coming from the people who are using it every single day.
So we'll leave you with this final thought to chew on. We often think of technology as something that pulls us away from nature, right? Staring at our screens. But what if it can also be a bridge back to it? Is it possible that the new key to unlocking a deeper appreciation for the natural world might just be found in a smart device like this? Something to think about.